Do you ever wonder if your mind's true potential is locked away? Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful foods that will help you decalcify your pineal gland and awaken your higher self. Let's dive deep into the secrets of your body and soul. Today's topic is something that can truly elevate your spiritual and physical health. We're talking about the pineal gland, that small, mysterious organ in your brain that holds the key to your spiritual awakening. Most of you might know it as the third eye, but did you know the pineal gland can get calcified over time? This blocks the full potential of your mind and spiritual awareness. But don't worry, because today, I'm going to reveal 5 foods that can help decalcify your pineal gland and unlock your true self. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to power up your mind and body. Watercress. All right, the first food we're diving into is watercress. Watercress isn't just any green, it's packed with iodine, which is essential for removing heavy metals from your bloodstream. These heavy metals are what contribute to the calcification of your pineal gland. Not only that, watercress is a nutrient-dense superfood full of antioxidants that keep you young and vibrant. So, if you want to keep your pineal gland in top shape, start adding watercress to your daily routine. Trust me, your mind will thank you. Next up is pineapple. And no, it's not just for tropical vibes and smoothies. Pineapple is loaded with vitamin C, and that's not only good for your immune system, but it also helps rid your body of free radicals, those nasty compounds that can block your mental clarity. Plus, the high manganese content in pineapple helps enhance brain function and decalcify your pineal gland. So, whether it's fresh pineapple slices or some natural pineapple juice, this fruit is a must on your spiritual journey. The spiritual benefits of coconut go way beyond just rehydration. Coconut water can even be used as blood plasma in emergencies. But what really matters is its lauric acid content. Lauric acid boosts your immune system and helps reduce inflammation in the body. When your body is in balance, your pineal gland can function optimally. Plus, coconut's high potassium content ensures that your brain's neurons fire on all cylinders, keeping you mentally sharp and spiritually aligned. Now, let's talk about the humble banana. A banana a day might not only keep the doctor away, but it also boosts your serotonin levels, which are key to producing melatonin, the hormone that governs your sleep-wake cycles. And where is melatonin produced? You guessed it, the pineal gland. The more bananas you eat, the more serotonin and melatonin you produce, helping to activate your third eye and improve your intuition. So next time you grab a snack, reach for that banana. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about the avocado, or as the Aztecs called it, ahuacatl. Avocados are rich in lutein, a compound that helps with eye health, and since the pineal gland is associated with the third eye, this is key. They're also packed with oleic acid, which boosts the white matter in your brain. This helps your neurons fire faster, meaning your brain processes information more efficiently. So, not only are avocados great for your physical health, but they're also a powerful ally in keeping your pineal gland in top shape. Plus, they're delicious,